एनएलवी ब्लॉग में आप सभी स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल। Whenever a metal rod is dipped in a solution of its own an equilibrium is established between the metal and its ion at solid liquid interface. One such equilibrium is shown with a +2+2. Half reaction can be represented Mn plus Mn in Newton Mn. It becomes obvious that electrons are either lost or gained at the interface. The quantitative parameter which deals with such a loss or gain of electron is known as electrode potential. Electrode potential appears at the interface between an electrode and electrolyte due to the transfer of charge across the interface, specific absorption of the ions the interface, and specific adsorption or orientation of polymer, including those of the solvents. Electrode potential varies with temperature, concentration, and pressure. Electrode potential is of two types: oxidation potential and reduction potential. Oxidation potential measures the ability to lose electron, whereas reduction potential measures the ability to gain electron. Moreover, the oxidation potential is the negative of the reduction potential. In a redox reaction, the electrode potential is an intensive property. Electrode potential is always measured in volts. Standard electrode potential is conventionally considered as standard electrode potential. Standard electrode potential difference in electrochemistry. The standard electrode potential, abbreviated as E minus, is the measure of individual potential of a reversible electrode in a standard state, which is with solutes at an effective concentration of 1 mole dm-3 and gas and at a pressure of 180 in the temperature is kept at 20-25 degrees Celsius. The basis for an electrochemical cell such as the galvanic cell is always a redox reaction which can broken down into two half reactions, oxidation at anode and reduction at cathode. Electricity is generated due to the electrode potential difference between two electrodes. The difference is created as a result of the difference between individual potential of the two metal electrodes with respect to electrolyte. Cell potential. In cell there will be an electrode potential for the cathode and electrode potential for anode. The difference between the two electrode potential equals the cell potential. Although the overall potential of a cell can be measured, there is no simple way to accurately measure the electrode potential in isolation. IPC has become given a useful definition of the electrode potential on the basis of the concept electrode potential. According to IPC definition, is the electromotive force of a cell built of two electrodes, such as on the left hand side there is standard hydrogen electrode and on the right hand side is the electrode whose potential to be determined. It is important to remember that the potential of standard hydrogen electrode is zero by convention in the form given for the cell. The standard hydrogen potential at the anode, it can be said is equal to cathode minus A anode. The left right convention is consistent with the internal agreement. The redox potential be given for reactions written in the form of reduction half reactions. On such arrangement is shown figure. Nernst equation. In electrochemistry, the Nernst equation is an equation that relates with the electromotive force for a galvanic cell to the standard electrode potential, temperature, activity, and active reaction quotient of the underlying reactions, and species used. The half cell reaction is shown as Mn plus electron is reversible reaction is reversible M plus, so that Mn plus stand for oxidant and M for reactant. The equation of half cell potential is equal to E naught minus RT upon L del L log dm upon dmn plus, where E is the half cell reduction potential at temperature of the interest. E naught is the standard half cell reduction potential. R is universal gas constant. T is absolute temperature, and A is the activity of relay species. Activities in Nernst equation are frequently replaced by concentration F in the Faraday constant. The number of coulomb per mole of electrons, N is the number of moles of electron transferred in the cell reaction or half cell. The Nernst equation is frequently expressed in terms of base 10 logarithm rather than natural logarithm, such as E equal to E naught minus 0.05916 upon N log 10 dm upon dmn plus. Signal region when solution of halide in dry ethyl ether is allowed to stand over turnings of metallic magnesium. A vigorous reaction takes place. The solution turn cloudy begins to bowl to boil, and the magnesium metal gradually disappears. The resulting solution is known as Grignard reagent. This halide can be alkyl, allylic, aryl, alkyl, like benzyl or phenyl, or substituted phenyl. Similarly, the hydrogen is chlorine, bromine, iodine, or iodine. It is one of the most useful and versatile synthetic reagents known to the organic chemistry. The Grignard reagent has a formula RMGX and the general name alkyl halide. The carbon magnesium bond is covalent but highly polar, with carbon pulling electrons from the electropositive magnesium. Apart from this, there is one more type of bond present: magnesium hydrogen bond. The magnesium hydrogen bond is essentially ionic. Then propyl chloride aids with an propyl magnesium chloride, and isopropyl chloride aids isopropyl magnesium chloride. The Grignard reagent is the best known member of a broad class of organic compounds called organometallic compound, in which carbon is bonded to metal like lithium, potassium, sodium, zinc, mercury, lead, thallium, or to almost any metal known. Each kind of organometallic compound has, of course, its own set of properties, but where the metal it is less electronegative than carbon, and the carbon metal bond like one in Grignard it is highly polar. Although the organic group is not full fledged carbanion in which carbon atom carries negative charge, nevertheless has considerable carbon anionic. It is observed organometallic compound when their enormous usefulness chiefly is to one common quality that can serve as a source from the which carbon is really transferred with an electron. Aryl magnesium chloride must be prepared in the cyclic ether tetrahydrofuran instead of ethyl ether. It is due to their high reactivity. Exceptional behavior of Grignard. In certain cases, Grignard reagent does not react with compounds containing functional group normally capable of reaction. Generally, the branching of science chain near the functional group prevent the reactions that the cause is probably the steric effect. For example, methyl magnesium bromide or iodide it does not react with dietert-butyl ketone. It has been found that if Grignard reagent contains a bulky alkyl group, alkyl reaction again may be prevented. For example, isopropyl methyl acetone reacts with methyl magnesium iodide but not with tertiary butyl magnesium chloride. In some other cases, abnormal reaction may take place. For example, when isopropyl magnesium bromide is added to isopropyl ketone, the expected tertiary alcohol is not formed. Instead, the secondary alcohol isopropyl carbinol is obtained resulting from the reduction of the ketone. The reactions and corresponding mechanism as below. Limitations of Grignardian. Grignardian can be formed from the compound like HOCH2, CH2Br that contains in addition to halogens some groups like OH which can react with Grignardian if the precipitation of Grignard from this were tried as fast as a molecule of Grignardian form, it will react with the active group OH in another molecule to yield an undesired product. One must be particularly watchful in the preparation of aryl halide in view of a wide variety of substituents that might be present on the benzene ring. Carboxyl, hydroxyl, amino all contain hydrogen atom attached to oxygen or nitrogen and therefore are also acidic that they will decompose a Grignard region. Even nitro group must not present in the ring as it oxidizes Grignard. It turns out that only a comparatively few groups may be present in the halides compound from which we prepare Grignard. Among these are Ar, OR, and -X. Similarly, the aldehyde or other compound with which Grignard agent is to react must not contain another group. They are reactive toward a Grignard. For example, a Grignard should be decomposed before its addition. It could add to the carbonyl group of the compound like one shown below. Bromination क्या होता है? Whenever phenol is allowed to react with bromine in the presence of water, tribromination of phenol takes place. OH3Br2H2O in the presence of O246 tribromo-bromophenol 100% 3HBr. Water as a solvent has a very important role to play. High quality of water favors the formation of Br plus as an electrophile in plenty. So firstly, high concentration of Br is ensured. Nitration. When phenol is treated with dilute nitric acid, it gives earth on the para-nitrophenol with concentrated acid and sulfuric acid. It forms 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, also known as picric acid. 2,4,6 and trinitrophenol and nitrophenol dilute has NO3 concentrated 4 nitrophenol. Nitration. When phenol reacts with nitrous acid at 280 Kelvin, it forms p-nitrophenol, and which when oxidized with dilute HNO3 yield p-nitrophenol in good yield. Phenol NaNO2 plus H2SO4 p-nitrophenol HNO3. Sulfonation. When phenol is heated with concentration sulfuric acid, phenol forms either ortho or para depending upon the temperature of the reaction. In general, low temperature favors the formation of ortho isomer and high temperature favors the formation of p isomer. At low temperature, the ortho isomer is the main product due to the stability gained through intramolecular hydrogen bonding. At higher temperature, the intramolecular hydrogen bonding is broken and para result OH2SO4 to 98 Kelvin minus H2O. Orthophenol sulfuric acid para-methanol sulfuric acid. Friedel Crafts alkylation and acylation. Friedel Crafts alkylation of phenol plus CH3Cl Al3 OHCH3 Friedel Crafts acylation OH phenol RCOCl AlCl3 OHCOR तो मेटा। धन्यवाद दोस्तों। चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब कर शेयर करिएगा। धन्यवाद दोस्तों। नमस्कार।